Hey guys, so today I wanted to share a quick video on how I keep up my pink blush toned hair. Pastels are so hard to keep up with, so I just thought I'd share this little video using Fanola's Orotherapy Mask. But before I show you how I do it on mine, I'm going to first show you how I use it on my blonde client here. As you can see, I'm putting her in the bowl. It's a color mask, so you can use it when you're in the shower. It comes out this really pretty pink color. But anyway, I wanted to show you this just because not everybody already has pink hair like me. And obviously the results will be a little different if you already have pink hair versus if you just have blonde hair. So here's after I rinsed her out. I left it in for about 10 minutes. She's very, very light blonde, so her results were a beautiful sheer iridescent, kind of like soft baby pink. I mean, it was stunning. It looked a little bit differently in this light because I had my ring light on, but I'll show you a more true picture here in just a second. I'm just giving her some waves just because it really shows off the color when you have it curled. So here's her results. It was really pretty, but that's just if you have blonde hair. Obviously you need bright blonde hair for these color masks to pick up. Don't try to put it on brown hair because it's not going to work. So here's her before and after results, and then I'm going to show you in my shop really quick. I filmed a quick little video using it on my hair, showing you how I personally use it and just a little info about the product. I have recently started using Fanola with the past year, and I just got my hands on this new color mask. As you can see, I have like the rosy blush toned rose gold hair. So since this is such a popular color and it's summertime, a lot of people want to play with these fun pastel colors. The Orotherapy color masks are amazing for that reason. You don't have to use any ammonia or developers or color to get that beautiful kind of iridescent pink sheerness to your hair. This is super easy to use. You don't have to be a professional. I use this as a refresher in between when I put the pink color on my hair, put that rosy gold color to it. I'm just going to use the color mask. And again, it's in the rosa shade. Just kind of refresh everything from here down. If the roots were super faded, then I would just slap it on everywhere. It's honestly super, super easy to use at home. That's what I love about it. My clients don't have to worry about coming to see me every 2 to 3 weeks because you know, if you have pastel hair, it's gonna fade. It's gonna fade every single time you wash it from, you know, the moment you leave the salon because there's just not much pigmentation to pastel colors. Silvers, pinks, lavenders, anything like that. And Fanola makes this Orotherapy mask in all different shades. So they have a chocolate one, they have a copper one, they have a red one, they have a fuchsia, which is a little bit more intense. They have a lavender. They have several different colors. So like if you're a redhead who gets their hair colored at the salon, reds fade super, super quickly. Everybody knows this. So you could use this in between your appointments to keep it fresh. It's super moisturizing, so it's gonna make your hair feel amazing afterwards. A lot of color shampoos, they're very drying on the hair. They work, but they're very drying. This is not gonna dry your hair out. I use this usually once, twice a week when my ends start looking a little ratchet like they are right now. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you exactly how to use it because everybody's hair is different. You gotta play around with this a little bit and see what works for you. Some people may need to just leave it in 3 minutes, some people 5, some people 15. I'm gonna leave it in for about, I'm gonna say 5-7 minutes. As you can see right here, they're like almost turning blonde. Get you some gloves at home if you don't want it to turn. This is a very light wash of color, so I don't believe it's gonna stain your hands very much. I will say this rosa color, do not expect your results to be like vibrant fuchsia pink. Like get the fuchsia one if you want it to really, really show. This is going to leave that just beautiful, soft, iridescent pink. I'm gonna put it on dry hair, but I mean, most people use it in the shower when their hair's already wet. I wouldn't say put it on wringing wet hair. If you're in the shower using it, try to like squeeze your hair out and stuff. But I will say it's easier to distribute when your hair does have a little bit of wetness to it. So again, play with it at home, get you a bottle, play with it, see if you like it better when you got damp hair and you're in the shower, or if you want to put it on when, see, it looks like that, when it's dry, just before you jump in. So it looks like this. It's not really liquidy or runny. It kind of looks intense out of the bottle, but don't let that scare you. I promise. It's not going to be an intense wash of color. This is very, very sheer. And when your hair is dry, expect to use more product than when it's wet. Okay, you got one side done. Now let's do the other side. I would definitely recommend sectioning it when you're doing dry hair. Okay,
so we pretty much got it all over the mids to ends. So I'm just going to take one more pump, just a little bit, run through my hands and just really work it through the ends. So remember, this is a color mask, so if you're using it in the shower, go ahead and wash your hair with your normal shampoos and then just grab the color mask and just work it through your hair like you do conditioner, and then leave it in there, shave your legs, wash your body, wash your face, let it set in there. I would say at least 3 minutes. Try to leave it in for 3 minutes, like I said, because it's super light. It's a light wash of color. I'm just gonna leave this in for a little bit. Probably 7 minutes total is all I'm gonna do today. Okay guys, so I just blow dried my hair. I didn't straighten it or fix it or anything like that, but you can definitely see where that color mask just gave it a really pretty hue. My ends don't look kind of faded blonde. They are just a very pretty, just kind of soft pink that just kind of flows from my roots to my ends. Again, you can use this many different ways. You can do it on dry hair. You can just leave it in your shower and shampoo your hair and put it on just like you would a regular hair mask. Don't expect when you put this on for the color to last for a month or two. It's just a color mask. So after you wash it a couple times, it's probably gonna fade away. Again, with everybody's hair, you might have a little bit different results depending on how blonde you are, depending on if your hair is, you know, kind of a little bit more porous, a little bit more dry, damaged. Everybody might have a little bit different results, so just expect that, you know. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration with their Orotherapy 24K color mask. Again, they have it in so many different shades. Definitely check out their website. If you decide to get this product, give me a DM, give me a shout out on Fanola's page or my page, and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to see some results. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next time.